Hi friends, this is Spiritual Geek. Welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your LG G8X or any phone at very low budget, less than 20 rupees. Just need few skills which I'll show you in this video. So let's go to the video and see how to get it done at very low price. So this is LG G8X and I'll show you how to do this best protection at under 20 rupees. So this is our case, dual screen case. This is the phone. We'll put it at the back. I will remove this one which is already there. We need a surgical blade, lamination tape, and you can also use this kind of blade. We'll put it here and at the outer and on the back. For the front I've already bought another one, so I'll not show you that to save time. So let's get started. So you will just get this lamination tape and put your phone. I'm using LG G8X for this video. You can put your phone of any brand. Use the blade and cut it like this, or you can use this kind of I'm using this knife, long knife, for precision. So like this, and on other end as well. So after you doing that, you will get this kind of sheet. So you can cut it. If you have this kind of dust remover stickers, that would be great, and this kind of alcohol prep pad, that would be great, and this cloth to wipe it. If not, you can just have this sanitizer which is easily available. So we'll remove the previous one like this, which is satisfying, and then put the sanitizer on it and clean it for removing all kind of fingerprints and dust. And then just see how it and then remove the sticker kind of part. It looks like this, and put it here. I'll show you what not to do in this part. So put it here and then use your credit card or debit card and keep sliding it. This is not the way you should do it. Now the other part will show you. You can see the bubble. So this is a part, this is how you will do it. So it already slides away on its own, and you can see the difference. On the upper side you will see some bubbles which can be removed, but on the other side you see there is no bubbles at all. So now after doing that, we will just use the same card. You can see how bubbles are going away. So you can see that. So even after cutting from all the edges, you can also remove the bubbles, which is very easy. So first time, if you are not very successful, you can remove that and try it again. The reason I have taken a bit more lamination tape is that I can stretch it, so it it gets fit properly on the edges. So this way you will just do it, and after you are done with that, use your blade, and on the edges just cut it very precisely. You just need to reach that part where phone, the glass and the metal body frame meets. So that part is easy to cut. So once you are done with that, you can just remove this, and this is how you do it. So it's removed completely, and now you can see that there are a few bubbles which can be removed very easily. So it just takes some time, but it is very easily. So after removing all the bubble for the first time, it looks like this. And for the front, I've already done it. You can see how amazingly it has been placed. You can't even see. This is the other part, which is a dual screen of LG G8X. I'll also show you, because this part is a bit different. It's completely flat. So if your phone has a very flat surface screen, you can use this kind of skill. So after applying that same skill, you can do this kind of removing the bubbles. So now you can see the other part. You can't even see any kind of bubble there. is there, but it's very minute, you can't even see, but you can also remove that very easily. It's a very simple thing, and under 20 rupees you can do it. I bought that complete sheet in 15 rupees. So there are a few bubbles. I'll remove that later. It is very easily removed. It's very simple, and the reason about the bubble is something how you apply that lamination sheet. So see that part again if you want to be sure how to get rid of bubbles while you apply that lamination. To remove the bubbles, make sure you collect all the bubbles, collect them in one bubble and then remove it, so it becomes very easy rather removing each bubble at a time. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you have any suggestion or any comment, please leave the comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos and notifications for that. Hit that bell icon, and that's it. Share this video so other people also join my channel and I reach my 1000 goal of subscribers easily. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.